Did you know a family man buried his entire family in their backyard and vanished without a trace for over a decade? Xavier Dupont de Ligonnès seemed like the perfect father in Nantes, France. Respected businessman, loving husband, devoted to his 4 children. But in 2011, his world was crumbling. Failed investments, mounting debts, financial ruin closing in. So he told friends and neighbors the family was moving to Australia for a fresh start. What he didn't mention was the lime he'd been buying, or the graves he'd been digging under their patio. One by one, he killed his wife and all 4 children, burying them in their own backyard. For days, he lived alone in the house, staging family photos and forging documents about their new life abroad. By the time neighbors discovered the bodies, Xavier had completely disappeared. 12 years later, he's still out there, France's most wanted fugitive, the perfect family man who became the perfect ghost.